I'm going to show you guys how to make your own vanilla extract, since Costco has it for $30, I think, for a bottle.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Something like that. So you're going to take some vanilla beans, 3 of them, and the cheapest bottle of vodka that you can find. Like literally the cheapest bottle of vodka. This is plastic. It's cheap. So then you're going to take your bean and you're going to split them. I don't know if you can see this or not, but the way you split it is to go straight down the middle as much as you can, all the way down. I like to try and do it twice so I get a nice good cut. And then pull it apart. And then the inside is your black gold. That's your actual bean. So you want to scrape it all out. And then you're going to stick it inside the bottle that already has the vodka. I did 2 beans already just to save some time. And then you do the other end just to get all of it out. It's pretty quick and easy. I like to take the pod, cut it in half and throw it in there so it's immersed inside the vodka. And then we do the other half of it. Again, it's really quick. Up any remaining bits of vanilla. And then you're gonna cap it off, give it a little shake so it's all immersed inside there. And what you're gonna do is you're going to let it sit for at least 3 months. And while it's sitting, you want to put it in a plastic bag if you have a clear jar like this.
Or a paper bag.
Or, did I say plastic? I'm
yes.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Don't listen to me. The vodka fumes. I like to put a little rubber band on the top of it so it doesn't go anywhere. Rubber bands scare me. I don't like them when they snap. Hooray! Let it sit for 3 months and you got yourself some DIY vanilla.